This is Motorola Moto G73, and in today's video I would like to share a few useful camera tricks and tips for this device. So to begin with, I would like to demonstrate that you can enable or respectively disable and what is more important, customize the watermark content. So you gotta go into settings, then photos, then watermark. In here you can enable the device watermark if you would like to set some custom message or signature, as well as decide whether your watermark will contain the timestamp, or to put it in simpler words, whether it will show the date and time at which the particular photo was shot. So let's go ahead and test it out, see what watermark we have resulted with. So yep, as you can see, it shows the device model or the make and model of this device, as well as custom message. Alrighty, the next useful option I wanted to share with you today is how you can create a very convenient shortcut for the camera quick launch. So once more, go into settings, then capture settings, quick capture, and in here make sure to enable the quick capture feature. Choose what camera you would like for it to activate, either main or rear, or selfie thus front. So basically how it works, from anywhere at the system you can just make two chop-in movements like that, and it should result in the camera quick launch. But in my reason, I think the quick captures, or okay, so excuse me, not the chop-in movement, since it, as you can see, enables the flashlight, but rather twisting, wrist twisting movement. So as you can see, you gotta just twist your wrist twice like that, and the camera gets quickly launched. So a very useful shortcut if you would like to have quick and convenient access to your camera at any time. The next thing that I wanted to share with you guys is one of the modes which works both for taking photos and recording videos. So it is called the dual capture, and this dual capture is for pictures and this dual capture is for films. So basically what this mode is, it allows you to simultaneously capture the image from selfie and back cameras. In here you can change the layout like that, and well, for whatever it's worth, you can simultaneously take picture from both cameras that you have. And as I've already mentioned, it also applies for the videos as well. So you can record videos simultaneously from both the cameras that this phone provides you with. Alrighty, and basically the final option that tip that I have for you guys today is the another camera mode that you can enter and use, that is called the Pro mode. You could have already heard about it, and basically what this mode does, it provides you with more manual control over the pictures that you are going to take. So for example, you can manually you can set the manual value for the focus distance, white balance, shutter speed, ISO, and exposure. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.